Good morning!
Morning!
We're gonna go to the movies!
It is not Vex movies.
No, it's a real movie theater. Dollar movies, here we go!
$1! $1!
This guy's a Lyft driver.
You mean this dog?
He's driving around.
Hey,
He's gonna pause and pick somebody up. That
You
was
see the doggy?
Hadar's joke.
Abigail?
That was Hadar's joke, by the way. Pause the video. Hey, doggy. She rolled the window down for him. Hey, dog. Hey, girl.
You mean for us?
Yeah. Well, we had a great time at the movies. I had to go replace a $5 plastic bill that the concession woman, stand lady, gave me because I wouldn't be able to send it. Anyway, so we're out of the movies now, and I think we're gonna go to Goodwill. We watched Turbo in there. I thought it was about a robot. Hadar thought it was about a dog. It's about a snail. It was a good movie, it was cute. So now I think we're gonna go to Goodwill, look for a few things. Some clothes, some other things.
Later. Listen to me. You have to be careful. Eleni was sent by Counselor Mateus.
Abigail's been having a great time helping me clean the house, and guess what? I'm folding these clothes, and I'm like, wow, these clothes seem to be inside out a lot. And also, yeah, they're really wrinkled, so I just thought maybe I just left them in there too long. Anyway, so the kids had put dirty clothes on top of my clean clothes, or maybe clean clothes on top of my dirty clothes. I don't know what the difference was, but I had to go through this entire load and smell all of them. So that was great. So now we have definitely found out which one is the clean basket and which one is the dirty basket. Yeah, that's what happened. She's such a helpful girl, though. She's always got a smile on her face, always wants to help out. And the same thing with Rafael, too. He loves to help out, and he's always helping his sister out as well. Yeah, this was fun. So Abigail is getting her clothes and putting them in the pink basket, and she's putting Rafael's clothes in the green basket, and that's the way that she helps sort out the clothes so they can put them away later. Okay, come on. Get one, and I'll get the other. Let's go to the washer. Now, okay. Let's put the clothes in the washer. Put them in. Put them in. Put it in. Put it all in.
A conversation with a 2-year-old.
Abigail, you have eye sleep in your eyes. How are you? You want to talk about animals?
Animals.
Animals?
Animals.
Animals?
Animals.
Animals?
Yeah.
Camels?
Camels.
Animals?
Animals.
Animals?
Camels.
Camels?
Are they criminals?
Criminals.
That's a good one, Abigail.
Yeah. Anyway, Abigail, we were talking about animals.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Emma. No.
Aminals. Yes.
I kind of see you are crazy. That's the eye green. That's the eye book.
Do I have eye boogers? Oh, in both of my eyes and my nose and my mouth?
Yeah.
I have eye boogers everywhere?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You go like that.
I gotta wipe it off. Hi.
Hi. What's that? What's that?
Don't look too close. There's a lot to see.
Oh, that's crazy. Are you?
That's a crazy eye?
Yeah. Crazy eye and me.
Yeah. Wow.
It's me. You are.
You have a crazy eye too. I see it. Real close. Are you crazy?
Don't see
Oh, that one? How old are you?
6
How old are you?
years old.
You're 6?
How's a baby a 6-year-old? Brother's 6.
You're 2.
Brother's 6.
Are you 2?
Yeah. 2? Yes.
Are you going to be 3 soon?
Yeah. For my birthday party,
What are you doing for your birthday?
I'm going to get big book and get hamburger and french fries and egg and peanut butter, cheese and peanut butter crack.
What if we don't have crackers?
Do.
We'll be cracker lacking.
What about
You-
Cracker Barrel?
We won't.
We won't be cracker lacking?
We won't.
We won't since we have Cracker Barrel.
We won't. Do.
So this is your before birthday interview, Abigail.
You're going to be happy.
Yeah.
And Daddy's going to be happy.
I'm going to be happy.
Yeah.
Why?
Guys, it's just birthday party too. The birthday party. Daddy. Right?
Right.
I'm going to paint a chase.
Oh, you want to paint Chase
Yeah.
for your birthday?
Yeah. And so I can eat. So I can do it first
Okay, we'll paint Chase.
and eat at a birthday party in Israel.
In Israel?
Yeah.
But we're in America now, so we have to do a birthday party in America.
We did.
So you're going to have a cookout with Grandma and Grandpa?
Yeah, and you.
Yep, and Zeb and Eddie.
Yeah.
You want to see Zeb again?
Yeah. Well, that's kind of a big picture. Are you see that?
Is that a picture that you painted?
Yeah. But not a chase with TD with
Who's this?
that's a baby Hello Kitty.
A baby Hello Kitty.
It has a bow. It has invisible.
Yes, it does.
I need.
Tell everybody how fabulous you are as a 2-year-old.
I'm 2-year-old. Now I'm going to go to the birthday party till I'm 2-year-old. Right?
You're not gonna
Yep.
turn 2.
You want fireworks for your birthday?
Yeah. And bubbles for my birthday.
You want bubbles?
Yeah.
Would you like a bubble machine for
Yeah.
your birthday?
Yeah.
Yeah. And also, do you want unicorns?
Unicorn straw.
And a unicorn straw?
Unicorn like straw.
What would you like? Butterflies?
Butterfly.
You're gonna have pink butterflies for your birthday?
Pink butterfly either.
What kind of cake would you like?
Both. Ice cream.
You want an ice cream cake?
Ice cream cake.
Flavor.
I'm gonna get you an ice cream cake.
And the flavor too.
Yeah.
Ice cream flavor.
Can you talk
Ice
about?
cream flavor
It's
cake.
gonna be really soon until my birthday,
Yum,
so
yum, yum,
let's
yum,
talk
yum.
about my prizes that I want you for your birthday.
See you for your birthday.
Not impressed.
See you for your birthday. Early in the next morning.
Another day, another bad hairstyle, another workout. More bacon in my teeth, so let's go. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Family trip to Aldi and Walmart to get the meal prep stuff because our kids love salad. And they're actually begging for it, and we didn't bring them any salad today, did we? Don't walk on that ramp. Abigail. Raffy early. What do we get?
We got something for you and
Beef jerky and sausages.
I'm gonna eat them.
Oh, that don't fit either.
Hey, Rafael.
Who put that there?
Okay, so even though while we haven't updated you guys, we did move on. Andrea made that. It was great. It was a Sunday, had everything in it. I hope she vlogged it with the other camera. Because I was here, I was working on the car until now. It's probably about 10 p.m. Kids are already asleep, and I'm gonna go ahead and head to bed too. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and I'll let you know exactly what we did. You didn't film your Sunday?
No. Zeb came over for like 6 hours or something, but he doesn't like to be filmed. So the kids played. We watched a. Did we watch a movie or did we watch a show? I think
Pretty
we
sure you
watched-
watched the movie.
I think we watched a movie, but we didn't really watch it because the kids were like stealing attention from him. Hey, look at me! Look at me! Look at me! Look at me! Look at the kids. They love hanging out with their brother. Oh, this. I have a birthday thing here. So everybody's gonna come. This is all of Abigail's birthday stuff. Happy
Can't see
birthday and
anything.
our plates. So anyway, my thing won't shut now. My whole family's gonna come over for the birthday party, and then the next birthday is going to be Zeb's, and I have something special planned for him as well. And I don't think he knows about it unless my mom and dad have said something, but I don't think they have.
She got a frog?
Yeah. We walked outside and I told Zeb, I was like, be very careful because there's all kinds of bugs and stuff here. We saw a toad. We saw a frog. Yeah. As soon as we walked outside, it's crazy. Like every time you go out, you get some kind of nature education there.
So what are we doing tomorrow?
We're going to go to my mom's tomorrow. And I think Hadar's going to change his oil in his car.
Yeah, probably gonna do oil and spark plugs.
Yeah, it sounds fun, doesn't it? He's been working a lot. So my back is itching because I have a sunburn, and it's like it's been healed for a while now, but it's just so itchy. It's like deep down in there itchy. We're gonna chill out with a show, I think, and then
Yeah, I gotta
go to
take a
bed.
shower.
Oh yeah, he's dirty.
Yeah. Been all sorts of places.
All sorts of faces. Oh no. Oh no. They were playing this too.
All right. See you tomorrow. Good
Okay,
night.
see you tomorrow. We have some more fun. I did hear something in here earlier. Did you put your tooth under there? Let me see.
No,
Let me see.
the tooth is not under there. $10.
$10. Are you happy about that?
Yeah.